Hello everyone, my name is Julie Jean Bassett. I'm an animal communicator and energy healer. I specialize in behavioral issues for animals, an intuitive reader, and a channel. I wanted to come on today because talk to you a little bit about animal chakras and separation anxiety. Because of COVID 19, a lot of people have lost their jobs, or they have been working from home, and our fur babies have gotten used to that. Now that things are starting to open up again, it is going to be difficult for our fur babies to get used to having us gone again. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the energy centers of the body, and two in particular are associated with separation anxiety in animals. One is the root chakra. The chakras are energy centers. They go along up and down from the crown to the base of their tail. The root chakra is at the base of the tail. It is associated with security, survival instincts, fear. And you can use some color therapy, such as having a red blanket for them to sleep on, a red bed, a red collar, something red. You can also use crystals, but be careful with crystals because some are toxic to pets, plus you don't want them to swallow it. Some crystals that would be helpful is like garnet, ruby, red jasper, black tourmaline, and smoky quartz or hematite. You can also ground your fur baby by taking them for a walk before you leave. Also, tell your fur baby that you're going to be gone, but you will be home in time for dinner. You can also use affirmations like, you are safe, you are protected, you are loved. And just say that several times throughout the day, especially when you're getting ready to leave and when you're coming home. The other chakra that is associated with separation anxiety is at the crown, the top of the head. This chakra is associated with separation anxiety. It's associated with the color purple. Some crystals you could use for this would be amethyst, purple fluorite, lepidolite, are all crystals. Like, once again, I said that you don't want to hello, Amy Bradley. Welcome. So crystals, you don't want to put them in a place where they might eat them or lick them because they could be toxic. Plus, you don't want them to swallow them. So stick it under the cushion on their bed or put it up on a shelf near where they spend most of their time. The crown chakra is associated with, or imbalances in the crown chakra are associated with fear, panic attacks, pining, separation anxiety, stress, tension, training issues. It's all about their thoughts, their will to survive. And, you know, they've gotten used to having us at home. And so when we start going back to work again, they aren't going to understand. So talk to them, make sure that you're saying affirmations. You are safe, you are protected, you are loved. And if you need some additional help, I'm running a special right now The links are in the description section until the end of August. So please check that out, because I'd be more than happy to help you. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye.